Hello everyone, my name is Uttam Zakhad. I am cadet of Ganpat University. In this video, you will watch the farewell of BTech Marine batch number 6. Farewell of Marine cadets. So watch this video till end.
Next, we would like to invite GP Teja sir to welcome Dr. Amin sir. Following on, we would like to call upon Professor Hardik Patil sir to welcome our respected youth, Chief Engineer GK Teja sir.
It is my privileged obligation to welcome our honorary chief guest, Captain A.B. Solanki, who is Chief Nautical Officer in Gujarat Maritime Board. Also, Dr. Kiran Amin, who is our Principal of UV Patel College of Engineering and at the same time Executive Dean, Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Dr. Satyen Parikh, who is also Executive Dean of Computer Applications and also Director's Admission. And our Senior Professor M.M. Khatri and also the faculties of the DICE and dear students. On this occasion of passing out parade ceremony dedicated to the students of BTech final year and GP rating course and also ETO cadets. Of course, in such ceremony, parents are restricted to this way, and most of our other students are also not here. And also, I remember one of our beloved warden, Mr. Lokhande, who must be pleased to see all of you here. Although he is late now and because of Corona, he has left his body, and we remember him with nice memories. Actually, I am quite excited to welcome Captain Solanki here because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, life is a teaching learning process. his biodata, his just like his profile. So I saw in the schooling also he was scoring 90 and above only. And after that he completed his BSc Nautical Science as a cadet in TS Chanakya. There also all the time rank holding. And then he rose all his mates, masters. And after that he cleared the extra master also. And he did not stop that time. And at presently he is leading the all Gujarat ports. All Gujarat ports are under his control. So he is having a lot of pressure also.
So, sir, I would like to kindly ask you to bless us with your wisdom and experiences.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Little louder. Good afternoon, sir. Okay. Thank you for your kind words, Tejraji. And Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, sir. Thank you, and I also am pleased to share the dais with dignitaries Dr. Amin Saab, Dr. Parik Saab. It's an honor to be here, Ganpati University. Association of GMB and Ganpati University has been a catalyst, and as Tejaji Saab told. So I have a special connection with you as a part of GMB, also and being a mariner. In addition to that, me and Tejadi also have a special another connection of Krishna. So that brings me here. Today we have gathered here to mark a very important day in your lives, seeing you all decked up in the finest uniform. I feel nostalgic and reminisce my own passing out parade in 1993 at TS Chanakya. Time really flies. Decades have passed. I can assure you that your journey which you have begun now will be full of adventure and decades, and career choices have broadened, coupled with lot of encouragement from your family for this offbeat career. I find youngsters these days are much more focused and enlightened about future. I feel proud to witness this passing out ceremony of these bright young seafarers, including the first girl cadet, Miss Heli Solanki, from the state of Gujarat. I want to convey my best wishes to Miss Solanki, as this will inspire many young women to consider this as a career choice. Ganpati University has pioneered maritime studies in Gujarat, offering wide variety of marine courses. I am certain that this is just the beginning of long academic journey, wherein many more courses will be added for the benefit of aspiring seafarers from not only Gujarat but the nearby states. I am sure the candidates here or the students here are not only from Gujarat but from nearby states also. As some of you may be aware, there are almost 3 lakhs Indian seafarers sailing around the world and contributing to the growth of Indian economy. Today we are facing stiff competition from the sailing fraternity of other developing countries like Chinese, Vietnam, Myanmar, and we must work hard to make a mark and maintain our position in the global shipping industry, as there are multiple nationalities working on board a ship. Earlier, like when I was sailing in shipping corporation, we had all Indians. Now probably most of you will join a foreign company and there will be multinational, multilingual seafarers on board. This field offers long vacations and opportunity to travel world. A young seafarer faces multiple challenging situations and learns to handle them successfully. This instills confidence and makes a person strong mentally and physically. Your time as a trainee is most vital and you must manage it well both on board and ashore. This is a golden period to gain maximum practical knowledge and also concentrate on your studies. When you go on board, whether you are a deck cadet, engine cadet, jeep rating, please make sure that you spend your time in practical learning, because everybody has to do work, but please make your notes, and the notes which I made during my career time is still with me, and I refer it sometimes still after 27 years. So put your hard best efforts, and this is believe me, this is the training period which once you become officer, you will be busy on doing your routine work. Whether you are third officer or third engineer, you will be doing your routine work. But when you are a cadet, whether it's 1 year or 3 years, this is the best time to make your notes, study, and utilize to maximum best possible. You will be doing fixed. Also, I will say that I will suggest that my advice to you all will be to clear your exams as soon as possible. All your competency example, because as you age, it will be difficult. So, like I cleared my masters the first 8 years of my sailing career. So you can clear from 7 to 8 years all your highest competency or exam. So that will give you one more benefit. If you want to, anyone want to come ashore and do the shore job, then that will give you a leverage over others. There are plenty of, I think most of you will be aware, there are plenty of shore jobs nowadays available, whether it be de-shipping, maritime boards, shipping corporation, DCI, dredging, maritime institutes, so even classification societies. So it is suggested that you should clear your exam fast, and if you want, you can come ashore. In the end, all of you should remember that smooth seas never made skilled sailors. Do not get rattled by challenges and pursue your dreams with complete dedication. Bon voyage to my young friends embarking on an adventurous journey. Also, I would like to convey best wishes to the management of Ganpat University to build many more young careers and give them wings of their dreams. Special mention of Professor Tejaji, who used his convincing skill to get me here despite some last minute working commitments. Wishing you all the very best and bon voyage. Jai Hind.
Welcome our principal, Dr. Kiran Amin sir, and bless us with his kind words.
Good afternoon to all. First of all, I welcome Sri Captain A.B. Solanki, Chief Nautical Officer, Gujarat Maritime Board. So thank you very much for sparing your valuable time here with us. In spite of his busy seaplane, at the same time 3 o'clock, but still with the betterment of the students, he remained present with us. So thank you so much, sir, for sparing your time. Professor Tejra, Dean of Maritime Studies, he is always worried about the students of marine engineering, and with this particular his efforts, the day which we are seeing here, that is a marine passing out parade. So this is the first time which we are organizing this event, and it would become a trend of that particular UVPCE Ganpat University. Especially, he mentioned that you would be receiving 2 awards. One is today and second during a convocation. So thank you for initiating such kind of efforts for the marine students. Dr. Satyen Parikh, Executive Dean of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, for Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Computer Application, very sorry. Why I am saying Faculty of Engineering and Technology? Because he is closely connected with the admissions of BTech Marine Engineering and Nautical Science, GME, GP Rating, ETO, all. Thank you, sir, spending time. The senior faculty members, Training and Placement Officer, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, all the dear ones, students, hope during a pandemic your loved ones are safe and healthy. Still, since last 1 year, we faced lot of challenges during a pandemic. But I am proud of you that you have managed well. Even though we consider that marine program, which is a completely residential program, even though you have managed all your practicals and other things, and that is a credit of us. You are in the campus only 1 year branch which seems to be in a discipline. Why? Because by different dresses and the parade which you are doing for the campus, always we would remember. We would miss you after today. We understand that you are always connected with the university and the college, but still we would be missing your presence physically over here. And that is a big worry for us. But still, our alumni are spread across the globe. And even since last few years, we have organized our alumni meet at USA. I was there also, Canada, then Dubai also, Australia. And every year, we are organizing alumni meet in the campus or Ahmedabad or suitable locations. So whenever you get the opportunity, please come and attend, because we are providing the networking for you people with the medium of alumni meet. So the alumni who are sharing the knowledge, sharing their experience with each other, and it becomes a fruitful every year. Since we understand during a pandemic, we could not organize such kind of event, but still, if you get the opportunity, please attend. And our alumni are spread across globe, so once you are working at anywhere, please remind us. We would organize alumni meet. We would spare, we have a huge fund of the U. Patel College of Engineering and Ganpati University. So we are free to do all the expenses for the organizing such kind of event. The second benefit which we are getting through our alumni is sharing a knowledge. Whenever our alumni used to visit the campus, at that time we used to organize such kind of technical interaction with our present students, and that is our big asset. Why? Because they are sharing their experience with our students, and our students would get technical knowledge. So my humble request to all of you, whenever you are working anywhere, but whenever you visit this nearby location, please visit the campus and interact with your juniors. Support your juniors. What I advise you, we do not want any support, financial support from you, but we expect you support your junior by providing a technical knowledge, sharing with them the experience, and that is a real asset for us. So I wish that all of you would do better, because here you are changing your face. At present, previously, you were a student, but just you have become an engineer, and your life would be different. And you can build your career as much as you want. And sky is only a limit. You have to determine your goal. Sir has mentioned that, once we see the profile of Captain Solanki sir, he has done a tremendous work, and what the degree he has achieved. So similarly, you have to keep a goal in your life and just do efforts accordingly. You will certainly reach to that particular goal at one time. So with this note, best wishes to all of you, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Cordially invite our respected Dr. Satyen Parekh sir, Executive Dean of Faculty Computer Application, to share some warm words.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I would like to welcome our chief guest, and most learned person in your field, Shri Ashwin B. Solanki sir, who is not only the captain marine nautical science, but he is heading very good position, and he is the most generous person, because as Kiran sir and Tejra sir said, that because of it means his connect with the institute, and for his affection with the students, actually he is here. So thank you sir, thank you for accepting our invite and be here. Respected Khatri sir, you should plan your future, and wish you all the best for your future planning and all these things. And once again, I would like to request the same thing as Kiran sir said, that be connected with the institute. Just before this ceremony, Ashwin sir was suggesting that you should have different programs for marine engineers. So students, basically once student leave the campus, actually at that time and after that, they miss the campus. Till the time they are here, actually they are engaged with their studies and all these things. So they don't have time to think about their connection with the campus. But once they pass out, they miss the campus, and they always seek the opportunity where they can come to the institute, they can come to the campus and connect with the faculty members and their Alma Shine Institute. So this is the thing. So with the guidance of Ashwin sir and support of Kejra sir, obviously we must plan something so we can have very good connect with all of you people. And with this thing only, it means I would like to conclude myself here. And again, as Tejra sir said, that this is the ceremony where parent must be there. But unfortunately, because of the COVID, it is not possible. So you might be missing your parents, and we are also missing them, because if they are here, it means it would be the proud moment for them also. But yes, it is not the end of life. And again, wish you all the best for your future. Thank you very much.